If you're struggling with your edges are breaking, one of the things about edges is that is where our hair is the weakest. And so if you don't take care of your edges, it will definitely break off. And even me, I really take good care of my edges, but you can see that at even my edges, there's short hair, meaning that this part here really needs proper care. And for you to do that, you should avoid styles that will cause tension on your edges. When I look around, I see so many women now don't have edges. Like the edges have actually virtually gone off. So this hair is extremely dry, as you can see. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just using my oil, massaging this oil onto my scalp. I'm going to massage it on my scalp, but I'm also going to apply some on my hair. Now, scalp massage is very important because it helps with stimulating the hair follicles for hair growth, and and it feels good too. It really feels good. It feels good, and it's a good idea to use to integrate oil. This is what I usually do. Guys, it feels so good. It really feels good. So you should always massage your hair like so. And then the other thing that you should always do is work on your hair in sections. Okay, this hair is not. It really needs a lot of, So this is what I usually do. And depending on how your hair feels, you can feel free to use water. For some people, they just use oil, plain oil on dry hair. So it's really about what works for you, but just make sure that you're massaging your scalp just like this. And of course, make sure you finger detangle your hair, just like this, like so. As you can see, it's really in a state that needs care. So this is what I do. The first step in getting my hair from dryness to moisturization. So guys, with fussy hair, you can actually think that the hair is not long, but it is. It is actually long. It is long hair. So I'm going to repeat the same process on the whole head. This process of using oil can be very messy, but I tell you, it is very beneficial for both your hair and scalp at the end of it. So just make sure you are ready to take care of the mess. And now I've actually applied as much as I can. It depends on how much oil you want to apply. Some people really make it drips, literally drips, it really depends on what you can take. So for me, this is okay. And like I said, apply the oil on both your scalp and your hair. this water. And of course, scalp massage, very important for blood circulation. And another reason is that when you do this, you make it easy for your hair for you to shampoo your hair. And also the oil actually covers up for the harsh shampoo that we normally use. So the oil helps with that. I don't use shampoo most of the time. I prefer to use my homemade black soap shampoo with aloe vera. If you want to know how I do it, also there's a link. So right now I feel this state is very okay. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to hold this hair into just like so. And then the next step for me to do now is I'm going to apply some heat. And in case you feel that liquid liquid oil is not enough, you can go ahead and use your hair butter, whatever hair butter that you have. And in the process of trying to apply the oil, of course, with finger detangling, this is what I have lost. And it's normal to shed hair. And again, this is the reason why finger detangling is so important, because if you don't do that, then you are going to rip your hair. Your hair is going to break, and especially for hair that is dry. Okay, so here we are. It's been roughly 1 hour. I'm going to take this off, and of course I feel this heat underneath my hair. So you can see there's a very big difference. The hair feels different. You can see it. It's and of course you have to. The process of finger detangling still has to continue. This time it is much easier to separate, to finger detangle. You see how easily my hair separates?